Go ahead and introduce yourself and your position.
All right. Well, hello. My name is Ryan Teresi, and I am the director of TripDAWG Technologies.
Awesome. And what is your main goal in your position?
So my main goal as the director of TripDAWG is to continue building our department into an all-in-one fleet management and safety solutions. And the way we're going to do this is by leveraging the power of cloud computing and API to build a platform designed for the commercial and transportation industry.
What is the biggest benefit for companies incorporating technology into their business?
Well, today's world, technology it's all around us and it's constantly evolving. Technology is helping businesses achieve their goals, boosting their ROI. One area of technology I would say that fleets really need to take a look at is predictive vehicle maintenance. When combining an onboard telematics device with predictive vehicle maintenance, it's helping businesses to maintain a healthy fleet and maximize the chances of a catastrophic vehicle breakdown. Vehicle breakdowns can end up costing a business thousands of dollars in repairs, not to mention the downtime of the vehicle being down. So I'd say that's definitely a good route to go.
Okay. And the predictive maintenance, would that be kind of your one solution that you really recommend to all companies?
I would say if they have a fleet of 5 or more, I would say it's definitely a good investment to take a look at.
Okay. Have you seen a transition in companies wanting more solutions for their fleets?
I have. I would suggest as a camera solution. I strongly believe every fleet should be equipped with at least a dash cam, and if not, a 360-degree camera system. By equipping your fleet with the camera solutions, you're helping to protect your company from an unexpected event. Companies that operate a fleet of vehicles will experience some form of incident that may have caused injury or maybe even death. Some incidents can wind up in court, and they can be drawn out for a really long time. With the use of a camera system, you will have the evidence to show what really happened, possibly keeping you out of court altogether. Added benefit to that would be insurance companies tend to lower the premiums for that or even help to subsidize the cost of a camera system.
Nice. And then what is an example of how TripDAWG has created a positive outcome to our customers?
Well, I have a great one, and this goes back to kind of when I first started here with TripDAWG. We onboarded a new client who was using an older telematics provider. They switched over to Geotab, and we started showing them all of the safety programs that Geotab has, and they were really excited about that. So they really started taking a closer look at their safety matrix and kind of noticed that they needed to bring up their scores with their hours of service violations, with speeding and seatbelt usage. They weren't horrible, but they wanted to bring them up to really, a good number. So with using that and also working with their drivers, they were able to bring their trends down from basically the 76% all the way up to the high 90s with very few marks on the drivers. So it was a very big success for them. They were thrilled, and it made us really happy too.
Okay. Well, thank you for taking some time to talk about some TripDAWG solutions with us.
You're very welcome. Thank you for having me.